Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P Smart Z, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from the device to an SD card or vice versa. So to get started, you want to open up the file app, which is right here. It's a yellow folder. And once you open it up, you have, well, an update, which I guess I'm gonna do later. It doesn't change anything. So you will see right here, you have the internal storage and the memory card. So choose wherever your files that you wish to move are located. For me, I'm gonna capture a couple of photos, so I actually have something to move. So I just snap a bunch of photos, there we go. And now, I believe they will be on the internal storage, but I'm gonna check it quickly. So yep, there they are. So, key thing to keep in mind, photos and videos captured with the device will be located under the DCIM folder, always. Pictures will contain screenshots that you have captured on this device, and then downloads will have anything that you have downloaded on this device. And anything else like music, music, movies, stuff like that will be there placed by a user, so you should probably know that it's there. So find whatever that is that you wish to move. So for me, it's gonna be the photos right here. And from here, you have a couple ways you can move it. So you can either select the files themselves like so. All you want to do is just hold the first one. It becomes blue and appears a check mark. And then you can tap on additional one to add them. You can also select all right here if you wish to. Or you can, if you have entire folder, all of them, and you want to keep it organized, you can also select the entire folder as well, like so, which that's what I'm gonna do. And then you have the two options, either copy or move. Now copy will create additional copy of this while keeping the original one where it is right now, while move will remove from the file from where it is right now and move it to the new desired location. So I'm just gonna choose move. And then you have the two options that changed, so you have new folder and move. So you want to go to the location that you wish to move it, which for me it's gonna be the SD card. And just to keep it organized, I'm gonna go into the again the DCIM folder, where there is actually 3 files in here, as you will see. So let's go back, still 3 files, and I can move it right here, for instance. Now it will give me a message that I already have a camera folder in here, so I can either skip this and completely choose a different location. I can merge them, so the files will be combined, and keep will, I think, add a number 1 to a camera that I'm trying to move, the folder. So it will be camera 1, while the original one will be named camera. So I'm just gonna choose merge, and now you can see that there's 9 photos. So there are the 3 old ones, as you can see by the way that they're a little bit darker. They were captured with a completely different device, and then the ones that I have captured on this device at the beginning of this guide. So that is basically how you remove any kind of file. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.